Have unexpected events in life disrupted your moments of joy? Don't worry. Here comes PowerMax 3600 to help. Once blackouts occur, PowerMax 3600 backs up your home grid within 5 milliseconds, 50% faster than its counterparts. Support power supply for 99% of essential appliances. Larger buttons provide easier operations, catering to all ages, and an intuitive LED display offers instant knowledge of detailed battery information, from power levels to charge or discharge status. Its battery capacity can be extended from 3600 watt-hours to 57600 watt-hours, ensuring seamless charging home or outdoors. With a 3600 volt rated pure sine wave AC inverter, PowerMax 3600 allows you to use power tools anywhere you need easily. It can even withstand prolonged exposure to extreme temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius and still functions well. Besides, its UL94V0 rated fire retardant casing effectively reduces the risk of fires. With a loud built-in low battery beeping alarm, it provides timely alerts, ensuring safety in danger and eliminating the inconvenience caused by power outages. Available with optional PM100 or PM200 solar panels. It enables cost-free recharging through renewable solar, wind, and water power, as well as multiple fast recharging via AC or DC outlets, diesel generators and EV charging stations. PowerMax 3600 supports charging top-level electric vehicles to extend the distance they travel significantly. As one battery pack extends the travel range by a further 21.6 km, 15 can increase in total to up to 345.6 km. Also, it can supply power to electric vehicles at speeds of around 30 km per hour. It provides power for various recreational vehicles, meeting diverse outdoor charging needs. Engineered with ruggedness for the first time, PowerMax 3600 enables seamless use across different hash scenarios. Designed with smooth wheels and telescopic handles, PowerMax 3600 can be carried around with you anywhere like a trolley case. Additionally, there are foldable wagon carts, designed for enhanced portability in navigating complex terrains. Its 14 versatile output outlets support most electronics, appliances, and tools, empowering effortless off-grid living. PowerMax 3600 facilitates communication through signal lights, especially in emergencies, employing Morse code to blink numbers from 0 to 9 and alphabets from A to Z. PowerMax 3600 comes with a smart app to monitor its status and control from afar, anytime, anywhere, all at your fingertips. PowerMax 3600 is built to be a rock-solid rugged power solution for both home and outdoors. Wherever you take it with you, it provides peace of mind and reliability with ruggedness and durability.